Hi there. Today I will discuss how to print OneNote pages. So let's dive into this method, and you can see I am official website of OneNote, and the method for the official website and for the app is same. First thing you have to do is open that note which you want to print. Currently, I don't have, and I will write a random thing. After writing, I will write the description. After it. Now time to print these. For this we have two ways. The first one is simply type Ctrl+P from your keyboard, and you will be redirected to this, but maybe on your computer. If you will not get access, then take a look on the left top. You can see the icon file. Click on it, and tap on the option Print, and select this option. Now here you have to select the destination, click on it. And here you can select the printer, which you have, just like I have any desk. Another thing is copies. How much copies you want. I will select one, and the orientation will be portrait, because it will be as PDF on the page, so that's why I will let it be as portrait. If you want to print it as landscape, it's up to you. Next option is pages, click on it, and you can select current page. Or you want to print a single one, or you can select odd, even, and also the custom. Click on the custom and enter the page name. But I'll select this. The color mode will be same. And here is the option of paper size, click on it. And select the paper size which your printer prefer. Just like mine will be a 4. And here no need to change anything. Simply click on the option print. Once you will click on the option of print, a print will send to your printer, and you can collect your pages from your printer, and that's it.